here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Sorry that I'm not on camera with you guys today, but it's 7:15 and I'm not wearing any makeup. Anyway, it is time for August previews. This release is a little late. We had some issues with the die manufacturing, and you'll see that those are missing from this video. They will be available for sale at some point later down the road. So if you sign up for Stamp Camp for this month, you're going to be charged for exactly what you get, minus the dies. So all of that information is linked down below. Arr. Oh my word. Let's get started, you guys. You guys know I always like to start with the stencil. This is the Pirate Map stencil. So you got X marks the spot. You've got, I don't know why I said it like that. Good compass. Some mountains, a palm tree, and then a shipwreck. So I think this will be really, really fun to kind of make vintage or make dirty. Something that's completely outside of my wheelhouse, but yeah. And of course I will have the design team projects moving around as I show you guys. For our word builder die, it's Ahoy Matey. So Ahoy is really small. Well, not really small, but it's small. And then you have a pirate hat. So you have the hat, and then you have the front, and then you have the little bones and crossbones. What am I trying to say? I don't know. So that fits on top, and I think that's going to be so stinking cute. Ooh, my brain. Next, we have our builder die. This is the ship deck builder die. So you have kind of the railing, and then you have the netting, and then you have the, is it the bird's nest where you're up high and you're looking out? And so I think this is going to be really fun. I don't know if this works with the the Viking ship, but we may have to play around with that and see if it does. And then last but not least, we have Jerome. Jerome, I treasure our friendship. So you have a pirate with a patch, and he's got some jewels. And again, we don't have the dies, unfortunately, but they'll be here later down the road. And this is our new packaging if you've never seen it before. So that's it for day one. So like I mentioned, if you sign up for Stamp Club for the month of August and you do the biggest bundle, you're going to get charged for everything in that bundle minus the dies. And again, those will be around sometime soon. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We are getting close to 700. And once we finally hit 700, I will be hosting a Stamp Anything giveaway. So one more thing, I would love for you to leave a comment letting me know what kind of, what do you want to see? Do you want to see a specific technique? Do you want to see a specific color combo? I would love to hear your opinions in the comments down below, and maybe we'll mix it up, do a viewer's request, whatever you think. All right, friends, that's it. All of these supplies are linked down below. Be sure to check out the Facebook group so you can see all of the design team projects, etc. We thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you for August preview day 2. Bye for now.